Hi, I'm Jeremy, and welcome to another episode of Practical IT. In today's episode, we are going to revisit PiHole. It's been about 8 months since we looked at this in a video, and I wanted to take a look and see what has changed since our last video. So, let's switch over to our virtual machine, and we will start taking a look. Alright, so I have done just a base install of Ubuntu 16.04 LTS server and run all the updates. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. The big reason I want to sign in here is because I want to find out the IP address. So as you can see down here, we're at 172.16.74.103, and we're going to use that. Go over to the Mac terminal and connect via SSH. Alright, and we're connected to our virtual machine. And we are on the PiHole virtual machine. Clear the screen, and we'll start installing PiHole. As you can see, the command that we use for an Ubuntu-based system is sudo curl -lowercase s, capital S, capital L, https:// install.pi-hole.net and pipe that into bash. Add our password. Let it run. Alright, installer will transform your device into a network-wide ad blocker. Powered by donations. We're going to switch this to a static IP. Google DNS, but they do give you plenty of other options. And for both IPv4 and 6. Install a web interface. Log queries. And it's going to install some more packages here. Okay, so another good reason that we are doing this from the Mac terminal is we're going to go ahead and take a screenshot of our administrator information. I'll say OK to that. The installation is complete. So what we need to do here now is, while we're on our Mac, we'll go to System Preferences, Network, Ethernet, Advanced, DNS, and instead of our gateway, we're going to add 172.16.74.103, and that should be all we need to do. Apply that. And so if we come back to Chrome, one page I know has ads on it is speedtest.net. And as you can see, there are no ads on either side. So we'll bring back Chrome again, and we're going to head over to our admin panel, 172.16.74.103/admin. Log in. Password is U3PMAUFK. Okay, so this hasn't changed so much since we looked at it about 8 months ago. We've got a few pages already listed. Top clients, top block domains, Google tagservices.com, and forward destinations, Google public DNS, and we're mostly on IP version 4. Won't have much in long-term data, I'm sure. Whitelist. Got the blacklist. Your blacklist is empty. Disable. Tools. Update lists. And I'll go ahead and update that, but since we just installed, it's not going to really pull in anything. Got an audit log. We can blacklist some of our sites there. Settings, ENP0S3, faster than light version is 3.0. Gives you the option to flush logs, power off the system, restart DNS mask, which we must be in a transitional period with that because they've got their own version of DNS mask now. Donate. Brings us up to a new window. And it takes you right to PayPal to make a donation. So just for the sake of argument, let's open up a few websites that I normally visit on a daily basis just to see. So definitely speeding up loading without the ads. All right. So as you can see, setting up PiHole has not really changed so much. The dashboard is tweaked from what we saw about 8 months ago, but it still looks practically the same. And whether you're going to block ads on the entirety of your network is a personal decision that you're going to have to make. But depending on your bandwidth limitations and the number of users on your network connection, it may be something you want to consider because it can have the effect of speeding up your network to some degree. With all that in mind, this is Jeremy signing off for Practical IT. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Please tell your friends. And as always, if you have any questions or comments or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.